Hello guys, this is Haytham Ben Sliman and you are watching Ruby tutorials. So in this lesson today we are going to speak about modules. So let's define first what is a module in Ruby. So modules are a way for grouping together methods, classes and constants. So for those who have done some Java programming, they must know the package thing in Java. So I think packages in Java are contains many classes. So I think modules in Ruby are similar to packages in Java, if I'm not wrong. So modules in Ruby can contain many methods, many classes, and many constants. And those modules give us two benefits. The first one, that modules provide namespace and prevent name clashes. So what we mean by name clashes, so for example, let's say that we have two modules, module 1 and module 2. We can have inside module 1 a function called, for example, calculate average, and and inside the second module we have a function called a method called calculate average. That means we can have in each module a functions that have the same name in both modules without have any conflict or benefits, and we cannot do that without module. Imagine that you define two methods with the same name in a program, so you will get a big error or exception like that. So now let's pass to the second benefit, which is the mixing facility. So we will discuss the mixing thing in the future videos. So now I'm going to show you how to create a module in Ruby, and by writing a little code. So let's get started. So we have to create a little new file here. So let me get rid of this sidebar here. So to create a module, you have to, first of all, you have to type the keyword module space, and you have to type the name of your module. You can choose whatever you want, but make sure, and you have to write the first letter of the name of your module in uppercase. So I'm just gonna name it my module. So make sure to put the first letter of the name of your module in uppercase, and of course you have to add the end keyword. So now I'm going to define a constant inside my module. So to define a constant in Ruby, all you need to do is to write its name, and make sure to put the first letter of the name of your constant in uppercase. So my constant will be name. So as you can see here, the first letter in uppercase. So this is how we define a constant in Ruby, by putting its first letter in uppercase. Then I'm gonna give it a string as value, so I'm gonna give it my name, and then I'm going to define, but before defining a method inside my module, I'm gonna show you first how to call and how to use the constant which is declared inside a module. So inside the module definition, I'm going to print using puts. So now I'm going to show you how to use a constant defined inside of a module. So to do that, first of all, you have to type the name of your module. So my module, then you have to type double colon, and then you have to type the name of your constant. So I repeat, to use a constant defined inside your module, you have to type the name of your module followed by double colon, and then you have to type the name of your constant. So I will run this little program here, and let's see if it gets us the value of my constant. So as you can see, it prints the value of my constant here, and this is how we use the constant defined inside a module. Now I'm going to create a method inside my module. I'm gonna call it say hello. So now I'm going to show you how to create a method inside a module. So the first thing, after writing the def keyword, you have to type the name of your module. So my module is the name of my module, so followed by dot, and then you have to type the name of your method. It's up to you to choose the name of your method, so I'm gonna just call it say hello, and of course you have to add the end keyword. So my so let me just make sure that I'm not mistaking here, so I'm just gonna copy and paste it, so like that. So my method say hello will have an argument which is I'm just gonna somebody, and then it will contain putus hello Mr. interpolation somebody. I think that's an error here, so def. Okay, so now outside our module's definition, so now I'm going to show you how to use a method which is declared inside a module. So the first thing you need to do is to write the name of your module, which is my module in my case, my module, followed by dot, and then you have to write the name of your method. So my function here, hello, say hello, requires an argument, so I'm gonna pass my constant as an argument to my method here. So I showed you before how to use a constant which is declared inside a module. So to do that, you have to write the name of your module followed by double colon, and you have to type the name of your constant. So now we are going to execute this piece of code, and let's see the results. Sorry, what I've done here. So run my module. So as you can see, the first statement, it prints the value of my constant, and in the second line, in the second statement here, I am calling my method here, which is declared inside my module, and I am passing my constant as an argument to my method here, and as you can see, it prints hello Mr. Haytham, which is the value of my constant defined inside my module. So I think that's all for this lesson today. I hope you have learned something from this lesson, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.